everybody, how are you? Sending you lots of butterfly kisses. Now Coachella is 2 weekends, so this is the last weekend, but a lot of you requested that I do a Coachella look for you guys. So this is my Coachella makeup tutorial that I'm gonna do for you. It's really simple, it's really adorable. It's a lovely orange tangerine shade that works with a lot of complexions. So I wanted to do it for you guys so that you can have something to wear today, which is the last weekend of Coachella. You guys enjoy Beyonce. I enjoyed her last weekend via YouTube, of course. I wish I could go, but we're here in London enjoying the weather, and I wanted you to have something really fun, very easy, pretty, cute, light, adorable, and above all fresh. And you can wear it anywhere, but I wanted you to see what this looks like. You okay? So we're gonna go step by step, and that will be it. Enough talking, let's get into the tutorial. Here we are, so we're starting. I've got my brows done, I have my foundation on, no contour, and we're going to go in with the Juvia's Place Blush Palette, Volume 1. I'm going to go in with Zara. I'm going to put this up here so you can see. There you go, Zara right here. And I'm just going to put this in the inside sockets of my eye. Yes, towards the tear duct. What brush am I using? I'm using a Morphe M506 brush. I'm gonna dab that in there, and we are going to go right into the socket right here. I just want to brighten that up like that, you see? So I'm just going to brighten that up a little bit, like so. Not too much. And then we're going to go in with the Saharan palette. Juvia's Place, love them. And we're going to go in with this beautiful rose gold. I love this rose gold, this one right here. And we're going to go a little bit in so that it can just pop. I'm going to put a little bit in there. Voila. And it just warms up the eye in such a way, you know. And put it down on your lower lid. Also just graze it over on your lower lid. You don't have to put too much. And then we're going to take a flat brush. I've had this brush forever. This is like a MAC, ooh, I can see the number, MAC 207 brush. Now I'm going to go in with Zoya and Senegal, because Senegal was what I used before, right in the tear duct. So I'm going to use Senegal, and I'm going to mix it with Zoya. And I'm going to put this a little bit up on the brow bone. You just take a little bit, touch, mix. And then just go right up onto the brow bone, right there, right into the arch. We just want to give it a little bit of pop. Yeah. There you go. There we go. That's all that we need. Okay, now for the fun part. We're going to take the NYX Vivid Bright, and this one is called Delchi. It's an orange one. You will absolutely know it when you go to NYX and you're looking for an orange. It is so complimentary on every complexion. And you're just going to do a simple wing liner. That's where we're going to start first. Take your time, because you can't afford to make too many mistakes. It's very simple, but you have to take your time, okay? So I go right to the corner right here. I might extend it later on, and I just go all the way down. Yeah? And depending on your complexion, you might have to go a couple of times over it just to make sure that you get that color payoff. And just extend it out, because you want it to be elongated so it really shows off the color. Yeah, let that dry. There we go. Now this is the tricky part. Now, for those of you that have hooded eyes or a little bit of a hood like me, you have to go above the line so that you can see the beauty of the orange and the arch. Okay, so just take your time, and we're going to go above the line. Okay, so we're going to go above here. We just want to trace that arch first, and that way we can fill it out later. Just take your time. Let's not rush. And then I just bring it in a little bit. There we go. And there you have. That is your arch right there. And that's all you need. You don't need too much. You go with the next one. Above, try and let it match. There you go. And you bring it to match the other one, see? You don't need to add too much product. It's such an easy look. It looks complex, but it's not. And it works every single time. I get so many compliments when I do this. And because you don't double dip, you can graze the eye right across and just finish the look. And there you have it, darlings. So that's the top part. We're done with that. And then I'm going to now line my lower line just to open up the eye a little bit. And this pencil is a NYX pencil as well, and it's just like a natural nude. It's not too white, so it's not too harsh on my eyes. Bad Girl Bang. This is my favorite mascara of the moment. Bad Girl Bang. Absolutely gorgeous by Benefit. So we're just going to do the bottom lashes, top lashes, add some lashes. And we're good to go. I love this mascara so much. It just works for my lower lashes. I'm thinking to use the lady lashes. Let me just look at them. Just, you know what, let me see. Let me put it on my lash and see. Oh yes. So we're going to use Lady Lashes Label. This is what we're going to use. So let me put them on and I'll be right back. All right, my loves. All right, guys, the lashes are on. Doesn't it look fabulous? We're going to contour again. I love this palette so much. It's the Juvia's Place Blush Palette. It is the Volume 1. And I love this chocolate right here. It gives me so much life. So we're just going to do it like a light contour. I'm going to take my Morphe brush, and this is a M500. I'm just going to swirl it into the pan. Whooshy, 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 like so. And I'm just going to go in. And we're just going to warm the face. It's not a big contour doodah, but it just gives it structure. So that's what I'm doing here. Cheekbones. There we go. Loving it. Put a little bit underneath the chin. And then I'm going to go in with the Becca. This is Hyacinth. This is such a lovely pink. It's so pretty for this kind of look. Just going to switch it over, and I'm just going to put this into the apples of my cheeks. And I'm going to go in with the Saharan palette. I'm going to use Lila this time. This one, just going to put a little bit. I'm just going to graze it down my nose, just for some light. And onto my lips. This palette is so multi-purpose. It gives me everything. I'm going to go in with Lila just a little bit, and I'm just going to go over the blusher just to give it a little bit of light. That's it. Yes. Let me go in with a little bit of setting spray just to put it all together before I put my lipstick on. Yeah, just to keep it nice and sun-kissed and warm and bring it back to life. Alrighty, darlings, for the lipstick, we're going to use Fenty Beauty. And this is their lipstick. I can't remember. I think it was called Space something. I forget. We're going to put this on right away. Space Cadet or something. I don't remember. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Yes. Do you know what I'm feeling these days? I have this lipstick that I got from Kat Von D, gorgeous. It's a white one, and I've got fuller lips, so I just like to have that pout. So it's pure white, and I just put it in the center of my lips, and it gives me so much life. Now I'm going to use my Chestnut Lip Pencil by MAC. It's a staple. I've tried other lip pencils, and some of them are too red, some of them are too neutral, but this just gives me everything I need. So I'm going to line my lips real quick. That is it, guys. So let me put my little flower crown on because it is Coachella. So I'm going to take this off. And then I have this one, and my niece gave me this. I love it so much. It's so cute. And I thought, you know what? We're going to Coachella. It's a butterfly crown. Ula is correcting me, and he is absolutely right. Oh, yes. It's cute. That's it. Yeah. Absolutely. And voila. And there you have it, guys. The second weekend of Coachella. Such a beautiful and easy peasy look, and very fresh. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you very soon. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and of course leave all of your suggestions down in the comment section. Alright, well, I say goodbye. Goodbye, my loves. Mwah. Big kisses. Mwah. Have lots of fun at Coachella.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to